Hi there, good afternoon. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET now. I am Snehisha and with me on the show is Ashesha Adhwari, who's in fact waiting by to take us through what the market setup is looking like right now. Very sharp recovery coming in from the day's low on the positive comments coming in from either sides, from the India and US trade delegation on the progress that they have made on the talks for the bilateral trade agreement. Nifty 50 at the day's high, about 0.4% higher. Ashesha, how's the market shaping up?
Well, yes, as you mentioned, we have recovered from the lowest point of the day. In fact, Nifty is now sustaining above that 25,850 mark, 100 odd points higher for the Nifty. Nifty Bank one is outperforming in trade as compared to Nifty, 320 points higher as we speak, trading near that 59,285 odd mark. In terms of other stocks and other sectors which continue to remain in focus, let's put the spotlight on private sector banks. Kotak Mahindra Bank in particular, that one is the biggest gainer on the Nifty 50 index. Eternal and Geo Financial Services are also gaining anywhere between 2 to 3 odd percent. These are the top three gainers from the Nifty 50 pack. On the losing side, several stocks continue to remain under pressure. Bharti Airtel trend, in fact, has recovered from the lowest point of the day, but Bharti Airtel and Asian Paints continue to remain laggards in trade today, the top two losers from the Nifty 50 pack. In terms of other individual sectors, as I mentioned, private sector banks continue to surge. Apart from Kotak Mahindra Bank, we also have RBL Bank, which is gaining in trade. Bandhan Bank and IDFC First Bank are also surging anywhere between 1.5 to 2 odd percent in trade today. So clearly, banks are outperforming and private sector banks in particular are leading the charge within the entire banking sector. Other broader market movers should also come up for you on your screens. NATCO is up 5.5%, Ircon International is up 4.5%, and Kotak Mahindra Bank, the stock that we already discussed, has now crossed that 2,200 mark. So clearly, this stock continues to shine bright. On the losing side, though, from the Nifty 500 pack, we have a whole host of counters. But before that, DCM Shriram, that stock is up 4% on the back of news that they have signed an MOU with Bayer. This is for advanced agricultural innovation in India. So that stock is gaining on the back of that. HCC is also gaining, and Orient Pro on the back of a positive news flow is up nearly to 2.5% in trade today. So yes, a whole host of buzzers from the broader markets for you. But on the index level, we have recovered from the lowest point of the day, and Nifty and Bank Nifty are also trying to recover from the lowest point of the day. That's how market setup is looking like. On that note, we need to slip into a short break, but more news and updates will continue on the other side.